What's good, people? What's good? This is Anna Sisk. What's good? I just wanted to kind of just do this video really quick to tell you what is going on for the new year. Um, a lot of you have been in tune to my channel, to my social media sites. A lot of you are probably trolling too. Hey, hater. Just kidding. I'm just I'm just starting the new year with, positive vibes and not really focusing on, other people in their business. I have mind my own business, do my own thing. So I am just, helping people all around. Guys, if you guys knew the things that I was up to these past couple months, ending 2022 was a thing, and my phone's been blowing up. So if it does go off and you hear it going off, that's just because people are reaching out to me. Anyway, so I wanted to talk about, something that's really important because look, I did a post today and it's been raining like crazy out here in California. I know some of you don't live out here in California. Some of you are from all over the place, but California, we've had some really bad rain and it damaged a lot of million-dollar homes. We had a lot of damage out here in California, but it comes with the territory of living in a beautiful place. California is one of the most beautiful places that I've ever seen in my life. In comparison to other places around the world. Now, we have the sun, we have the lakes, we have the beaches, we have the coast, we have, the forest, we have the mountains, we have snow up in the mountains. We have everything here in California, which is beautiful. But, we do have the high cost of living, which doesn't make it good for a lot of people. But look, I'm trying to put you on game here. Because if you guys are struggling with making money from home, it is time for you to really get with the times. We're in 2023, a whole new year for you to begin this year like a rock star. For a lot of you that joined me in my past endeavors, I was part of a company in digital marketing with Easy One Up. I've been, doing a lot of things with EPS. When I first started digital marketing 11 years ago, I actually wanted to do digital marketing because I saw the profits and the gains from 100% commissions. Now, I was like scared just like everybody else out here, really, does digital marketing work? Is it something that, people can do? Is it something that people can really make money from home? Look, my phone's going up. I'm sorry, guys. But I'm like, you know what? It is one of the businesses that has helped me, really just make the most money, in anything that I've ever done. I've actually had the most money in digital marketing. It's been crazy good. Now, I've been a part of a lot of digital marketing companies. Some actually are still in business, some aren't. That's what happens when you have, a digital marketing business. Sometimes companies stay, sometimes companies go. It's just how business goes. I don't look at it as a loss. I look at it as a lesson. And if I made money with that company, it doesn't bother me at all if they are no longer here. But when I wanted to do digital marketing again, I actually was going to look into a company that I trusted, that I knew was going to be here for the long haul. And when I joined forces with one of my friends, actually, she was one of my mentors first, and she became a really good friend of mine. And so I wanted to do digital marketing again with her because I know her style. I know how she is. I know that she went from zero and made herself a self-made millionaire. So I've known her for a long time, someone I trusted, and she created her own company. It's something that I encouraged her to do as well because I told her, I said, you have so much talent, you have so much to give, why not start your own company? And she had the money to do it, so she did it. And so here we are, and we're doing this digital marketing again together. And I wanted to bring it to everybody's attention here on my YouTube and also on my social media platforms, because I feel like you guys need to know, like, how do you make 100% commissions, right? This is not an MLM. This is not, something that, we're doing with MLM. It's nothing like that. It's 100% commissions. People are out here earning 10 to 20 to 15 to 30% commissions with affiliate marketing. And that's all great and dandy if you want to make those low commissions. But for me, because I've seen the 100% commissions pay me very well, they've been the most profitable that I've seen since I've been doing network marketing. Now, if you don't believe me that digital marketing is high profits, you need to start looking at the people that are charging you for digital products. like people that have, you know, a great amount of money that have made, you know, this into a multiple $1 million business. If you see people like Grant Cardone, if you see people like Eric Worre, you see people like Ray Higdon, a lot of these, you know, great mentors of mine that I've actually bought their digital marketing products. Mind you, they weren't cheap, okay? A lot of the times, you know, some of these, they start off with $100 and then, you know, they scale up to the coaching that they offer and, you know, whatever else. And then it turns into, you know, them asking for $5,000 or higher. Now, if you're in the digital marketing space and network marketing, of course, it pays to get training and all that stuff from these, you know, big millionaire mentors, because they will teach you some things, which is amazing. And I've learned a lot from them. But, you know, for us, you know, that are trying to scale, you know, maybe a smaller size of digital marketing versus a higher coaching program stuff, you know what I'm saying? Then, of course, you know, starting off with an investment of $50, $150, or $300 is very small. Okay. Now, for me, you know, a lot of people, you know, come to me and they're like, well, Anna, you know, I don't have the money to start, or, you know, it's a little bit expensive, or whatever it is, right? I tell people this. I said, you know what? When I first started, I totally understand where you've been, because I've done it myself. You know, I started the same as a lot of people. $50 to me was a lot of money. You know what I mean? I was like, oh, that's too much. $100 was even more, and 300 was a bit like unheard of. I'm like, that's $300 that I could spend on groceries or something else. And I, you know, I would always have an excuse too, you know, just like everybody else. I don't know if I want to spend this kind of money. But if you stay there in that mentality, right? Because your mindset isn't really open, you know, and a lot of people right now, your mindset is not wrapping around, you know what I'm saying, your bills and everything that you're looking at in front of you, which makes sense to me because the economy is making you think that way. But if you really just step back and take for a minute and listen to this, okay, YouTube, I'm going to explain it to you so it can make sense to you in your mind. Now, if you invest in a business, say, okay, and you come in a digital marketing empire business, okay, and you say to yourself, you know, I'm going to come in with $150, right? One time, because that's what I charge, a one-time investment fee to start your digital marketing company or empire, okay? $150, right? You invest one time. And say out of that $150, you have 100 sales. You've already made $15,000 back in profit. Does that make sense to you guys? Does that make sense? So you've made $15,000 back from your initial investment. So to me, it's like, how does that not make sense for you guys? You've already made your $150 back and some. You see what I'm saying? And say, you know, you started in, you know, at the $300 level, right? Times 100. That's $30,000. Have you not made your $300 back and then some? Of course you have. And so that's what you have to look at, because when I first started, I was the same, just like you guys. I was like, oh no, I was like, you know, to start, you know, this business, it's just crazy. Oh, sorry about that. I'm just trying to, oh my gosh. Okay. So to start your business, imagine at that amount, you know, of course I said the same thing. I was like, oh my God, you know, I can't even picture it. But once you see the money, once that money comes back to you, what you invested, right? And then you times that times 90. I mean, it's crazy money. Okay. You're like, wait a minute, why didn't I do this sooner? Then you're like, why didn't I do this sooner? I'm crazy for thinking that, you know what I'm saying, that I couldn't do this. All right, guys. And so you're like thinking, okay, you know, what does this all involve? You know, what is this company and what is Anna talking about? So this is the Infinity Processing System. Okay. So you basically, you know, pay whatever level you want to start at, which is $50, $150, or $300. Okay. And then this is what you're going to get at the $300 level, because that's where I'm at. Of course, I go all in. I'm not going to go in half. I'm going to go in all. Okay. So you get all this. Learn how to create your automated sales funnel. If some of you don't know how to create a sales funnel, how to get more sales faster with paid traffic. And that's optional. how to grow your list fast every month and get more sales, what to say when they ask you for information, winning mindset, the art of persuasion and influence, 20 written ads. Okay, they even give you written ads, how to upgrade or update your website, 7-day action plan for success, how to post unlimited ads, traffic, traffic websites, Facebook marketing mastery, Craigslist, Instagram, YouTube, how to go viral on TikTok, and all this stuff, automated business for 6 figures. And then you even get a hotel and a restaurant discount voucher. So you get a free trip on top of everything. Okay. So, when you get your digital marketing business, you get a free trip as well with a $300 level, which is great because who doesn't want to take a trip somewhere and just chill and make money on your laptop or your phone, mostly your phone, right? Because you carry your phone everywhere. And they give you all the training that you need to start your business, how to place ads, where to place ads, what to say in the ads. We give you images and all that stuff. We teach you about mindset, which is really important. I'm glad that's in this training because a lot of people don't have the mindset. Like I said, when I first started, I didn't have the mindset. I didn't have all this to go on. Okay. I was like, well, I don't know how to think and how to, really think about myself and my business. And, I don't know how to do all this stuff. And so when I first started, I was just like you. I was just skeptical. I was like scared. And I was like, is this really going to work for me? Am I really going to make money? Can I make money? And, is it going to help me? And so just like you, I help other people. So you can see here, she made $1,300 for the week. That's a full-time paycheck for some people. Okay, proof, because I want to show you guys. Oh, that's me. Here Jerry made some money. Okay, here's me. It was 300. You guys really want to see it? Actually, you can't see it, but let me show you. There you go. Okay. Okay. Now you have to really seriously ask yourself. Can I do this from my laptop or my phone? Is it really doable? Okay. Yes. And you have to ask yourself, are you tired of being broke? Are you tired of being, poor? I mean, are you tired of struggling? Are you tired of not making the money that you deserve? Are you tired of struggling? You know what I'm saying? I mean, how much more do you need to struggle to really open your eyes? I mean, that's the question I asked myself. I was like, do you really want to struggle, making those little 10% commissions or 20% commissions, little small commissions, guys? You have to make a several amount of them to make it profitable for you. Okay, let's be realistic. And a lot of you are in companies and network marketing companies, and you're doing, those minimum of commissions, which is great, if you're looking to make small money. But if you're looking to make a profitable amount of money, life-changing income that can change your bank account, okay, then digital marketing is something you guys should look into. High ticket marketing, digital marketing is always going to be the best payout for you. And I tell you this with all confidence and sincerity because I want you guys to know that I know how it is to work hard for your money. But those 10%, 20% commissions, you have to make a lot, and you have to make a lot of sales on the daily to even see $100, okay, or $200. Why work that hard when you can make like 3 sales? If you just make 3 sales of your oh guys, hold on, I'm trying to get this up again and I can't. Let me get up here. Okay, so you know what I mean? $900 for 3 sales of 300. That's your whole day's worth. That is a week's worth of checks for some people. And I'm just trying to help you guys see the big picture. So honestly, what do you need to do now? You just need to basically just reach out to me and tell me you're ready. Hit the link below this video and just go there, and it take you directly to more information on this program. It's amazing. I really want you guys to win in 2023. So I wish you all the best and see you on the other side. Bye-bye.